For decades, the way we interact with computers hasn't really changed. We move a cursor on a flat surface, a language frozen in time. But our hands don't work in 2 dimensions. They work in balance, in orientation, in space. OVO was created from this simple idea. What if pointing could follow the natural movement of the hand? OVO is a new kind of input device. It translates the natural gesture of your hand into digital movement. Inside, sensors track orientation and motion, turning movement into precision. Rotation becomes a natural way to control. A simple tap becomes instant action. Touch becomes a fluid interaction. Wireless power keeps it always ready. Everything works together. You can use it on a desk or in the air from your couch. Precision when you need it. Speed when it matters. Freedom wherever you are is designed to feel intuitive from the very first moment because it adapts to you. OVO is not a mouse. It's a new way to point.